How to add phone number in Microsoft account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add phone number in Microsoft account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open a web browser on your device. Here I'm going to launch my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in Microsoft.com. This is the official URL of Microsoft. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Microsoft. Here you'll need to make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply click on your profile icon and then in this pop-up, click on this My Microsoft Account link. By doing so, you will be taken to your Microsoft account page. Once you reach to this page, here at the left side, you'll be able to see different options. Simply click on this Your Info option just below the account option, and in this page, you will need to scroll down until you locate this account info section. Here at the top right of the account info, you will be able to see edit account info. Simply click on this link. This will take you to the editing space. Here you'll be able to see add phone number option at the left side. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to select the correct country code and add your phone number. Click on this country code text box and then from here choose the one based on your preference. After that, in this text box, enter the phone number. Once after entering the phone number, click on this next button right here. After that, you will receive a verification code on your new phone number. You will need to enter the code to verify your number. And after successful verification, you may also need to enter your Microsoft account password again for security purpose. And once it is done, your new phone number will be added to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to add a phone number on your Microsoft account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.